Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Learn. This is a short introductory video about my channel, myself, and the Golang course that we are going to post really soon. I have a master's degree in electronic systems engineering, but nothing I do right now is related to it. I'm a self-taught programmer. I learned programming on my own during my master's. I started reading books, doing online courses, and practicing programming by building my own applications. Currently, I'm working as a full-time software engineer with a software company. The aim of this course is to open source my knowledge. Whatever I have learned, I would like to share with everyone out there who is trying to get into software engineering or software development. During my self-learning phase, I encountered a lot of problems, so with my videos and courses, I would like to cover them. I always felt that having a guidance from the industry would have always helped me. So I'm trying to provide you the same guidance. As I mentioned in the previous slide that I am a software engineer working full-time. This is just my side hustle. I'm not trying to make money out of it. Everything I will post here will be free of charge and it won't link to any paid course that you have to pay for. So I will be posting everything from beginner level to more advanced level here on YouTube free of cost. I strongly believe in free education, so this is my part that I'm doing. Things you can expect from the channel and the upcoming Go course: lots of code. There will be a lot of code that we will practice. After going through the basic concept, we will build applications such as CLI tool or any idea that you may have, you can share with me and we will start building that. In-depth explanations. This course or all the videos on the channel will be for every developer out there from beginners to expert and will be free, as I told you before. I will start with the Go course, but then I will move on to other courses such as Kubernetes, algorithm, data structures, and a bit of competitive programming or interview questions. I promise to be always there for you. You can reach out to me through my Discord server or you can post comments in the videos. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to my Discord server. I will post a link in the video description. You can also leave your comments and I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching. Happy coding.